All right, y'all, look at this, man. What is he talking about right here, bro?
Look, Voltoshi's commenting. He said, "I saw something interesting on that list you showed, Jake." Oh shit! Voltoshi's in the chat. Voltoshi's in the chat, and then he.
It's time to get that money, that's for sure. It's time we let them know, Yeah, breaking out on the uptrend. Killing all the fun, it don't make sense. Headed to the moon, got them upset.
YouTube, what's up, y'all? Addict Trader FX, back with another video, yo. Listen, man, a lot is going on. All right, we got a lot to cover. FOMC, Bullish at it again, man. What is up? I'm telling you, something huge is gonna happen within the next week. Okay, if you don't have your back, and this is not financial advice, I always gotta say this because I gotta, make that clear. But something huge is coming, y'all, and we're gonna go over it today. All right, so let's get straight into the chart with Volt first. Kind of go over what I was talking about yesterday, and you guys can get a brief idea of what we're looking at. Okay, first off, I just want to tell you, not a single person can tell you where price is gonna go. Okay, for any type of project, or meaning, like, I want to say more like, nobody can tell you this is gonna hit this price or this is gonna go up to this. No, what I'm telling you are technicals. What I'm telling you is, okay, I'm giving you different scenarios that price can do, bulk can do. You get what I'm saying? For example, pretty much just we can assume, okay, but we can never be exact. All right, just want you to know that. And I'm pretty much just going by history, past data, and all that. You know what I'm saying? But I would never tell you, hey, price is gonna hit, it's gonna lose a zero for sure, and we're gonna go up to fucking 3 zeros and no, none of that. I could just tell you, hey guys, I believe price might come down here, or it might come up here if this happens, or if a lot of things can affect how price moves or how an investment can move. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive into this chart real quick right here. So we're on the 12-hour chart, right? And like I said yesterday, if the news was good, we possibly would have seen a push up, right? But at the worst case scenario, price would probably come back down, reject, and probably continue pushing up. And like I said, probably. You see, I'm not saying price is going to hit this, or price is okay. So price did come down more. It came down more from yesterday. It came into this zone, to this little box that I have marked up here, and it rejected. Okay, now the other candle's out, and if you can see from past data before, whenever price came down to this zone, it rejects and it starts pushing back up. That's all I'm saying. When you just go by previous data, look at this. It's not me making it up. It's past data. Anytime price came to this zone, what happened? It had a reaction, right? It had a reaction. You see that? So I'm assuming that when price came down here, it was going to reverse possibly, right? I'm assuming. I'm a trader, so that's my job. I assume, I predict what can price possibly do. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and check out now why it didn't push up as expected. I was very confident on getting the 50 base points, but I also thought that price could possibly go up. People are wrong sometimes. You know what I'm saying? You could never expect the market to go the way you think it's gonna go or want it to go. Okay, guys, so let's go over here real quick and kind of watch something, and I'm gonna go ahead and explain it to you. All right, first off, let's go ahead and look at the Ethereum chart yesterday. Okay, so here you can see that before the news came out yesterday, price started pumping up, right? You can see this. Okay, as soon as the news came out, it seems like people were buying the news, buying the rumors, selling the news, okay? And so technically, you know, price was overbought, okay? So meaning at some point it was gonna have to drop, and all that was price just pretty much doing a little pullback, came back down after it hit this zone and pushed back up, right? Or that's ideal of what's supposed to happen, you know, or what I believe is going to happen, okay? And so price came down, it dropped heavy. I mean, people were selling off as soon as the news came out. And, you know, obviously you see here, price has rejected, and it's working its way. I believe it's going to work its way back up maybe a little bit. I believe that's what my assumption is, since I seen a rejection here on a 4-hour chart. But yeah, so let's watch this.
Pause this. I'm tired of hearing these people talking.
So what do you think about all this? What do you make of all this?
Well, I mean, master of the obvious. Are we going to have more rate hikes? Yeah.
Yeah, we're not done. I mean, what are their goal? What's the goal for inflation?
It's always funny how you can have such, you know, they can talk a lot and they don't say a damn thing. I think the long and short of it is, dude, I think that the first half, I think it's going to be painful. I think the first half of 23, I think we could still see, you know, crypto, Bitcoin moving down south of 12, maybe 10, and Ethereum moving down. And I think you and I have these ongoing dialogues, and we talk to people that we know and we trust that are extremely smart people, and a lot of them are saying very similar things. And there's not one huge key big event, right? It's going to happen. I just think there's more downside risk in the first half of 23, and that's really what I'm factoring in. As it.
Yeah, and everybody who's just checking in, you know, it's really easy just to check in and see this big red candlestick and be like, oh my gosh, what's going on? And just start freaking out. I mean, this is where we came, you know, right before the CPI data, though. I mean, we came here from 16,800. We're still at 17,900. We're still up over $1,000 on the price of Bitcoin pre-CPI data. So this was more of a buy the rumor, sell the news on the 50 basis points. We kind of knew exactly what we were going to get with the 50 basis point move, and it was already baked in, obviously. And, you know, we kind of were looking at the RSI a little bit. We saw this kind of getting well over the 70 mark. We got the sell-off. Now, what's interesting is, though, you know, could this get oversold a little bit? I mean, where do we kind of bottom out here and start moving sideways? I'm guessing probably
JPal now. Now they're waiting to see what JPal has to say.
Yep, and kind of see which way that pushes the market here in the short term. So, Austin, you mentioned it, like, get ready for a volatile, rocky, what do you think, first and second quarter next year?
I think definitely first quarter. So we're going to get a jobs report and a CPI inflation report in January. That'll be December's numbers.
Okay, guys. So, you know, that's just pretty much an idea of how of what to expect for the upcoming year. Listen, guys, I just want to tell y'all, because I know a lot of people don't know how crypto works or investments in the market work, okay? Listen, you got to think, all right, guys? It's not a bad thing when price doesn't go up all the time, okay? If price reverses or price I'm talking in terms y'all don't understand. When price ends up coming back, for example, like Bitcoin is projected to come down to 10 grand, okay? Now, a lot of people would see that as, oh my God, the world is over, crypto's going to shit, blah, blah, blah. No, man, it's not, okay? Crypto is not going anywhere. The government actually has a coin, okay? They have their own crypto, a federal coin. They're eventually going to come out with it, but they want to look like the saviors. They want to be the ones that, oh, we're going to save crypto. Listen, Data shows, past data has shown, historical data, that for every 1 year that we have a bear market, that we're going through a situation like this, we have 3 good years that were bullish, that we pump. Bitcoin before has gone up to, I believe it was like 1,000, something like that, and pulled back to, I believe, $32, and then like a penny. Think about how many people probably sold off all their Bitcoin when it did that, right? Thinking, oh my God, this is over. This isn't legit. Whoever held and believed in Bitcoin, when Bitcoin ended up hitting over 50,000, 60,000, who's looking dumb? Who's the smarter investor? You got to be patient. You got to take advantage of the market being as low as it is, because when the market starts pumping again, best believe that it's gonna stack up. All right, that's how millionaires are made. The last time we were in a bear market, all the people that ended up getting in while it was low like this and taking advantage in dollar cost averaging, meaning buying as it goes down. You don't have to buy all in one shot, little by little. As it goes down, you buy some more, you buy some more, you buy some more, until we finally reach that moment where, okay, I don't believe we're going to go any lower than this. Let me stack up. Now, how does this relate to Volt? It relates to Volt because when Ethereum moves up or down, it can affect Volt. Now, Volt also has the backing of a big community, which can push price up, which can make an effect on price for Volt. And we also got Voltoshi doing a lot of things in the background, keep Volt pushing during hard times. Volt has withstood this whole time, this whole year, okay, in a bear market. It has flourished. It has created millionaires already, and it's about to create way more. So this is not financial advice, y'all, okay? But if Volt doesn't end up pushing within the next week, let's say Volt comes down, take advantage of the price and load up that bag. I want to go over something real quick. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get into the juicy part of it. All right, look at this. What is going on? Voltoshi dropping another hint, y'all. Okay. Anonymous gift. Sunday, 4 p.m. with the eyes. Anytime Voltoshi has put out a tweet of some sort, especially with these little two eyes, something big has happened after, right? We know this. If you are a true Volt investor, a true Volt armyist, I don't know if that's a word, but you get what I'm saying, y'all. If you know about Volt, you've been in Volt, you know how Voltoshi works, then you know for sure there's something huge coming. He's not gonna say all this for no reason, y'all. He's not about to put out some shit that he don't. Come on now, he's not misleading. He's never misled us. Listen, y'all. 99 exchanges, y'all. Let me show you something. Where is it at? Hold on. Look how funny this is. Right here. 99 problems, but exchanges ain't one. Nah, I'm just playing. Look. 99 problems, but exchanges ain't one, man. We have... Listen. We were on the Bloomberg article day before yesterday. Okay? We are on 99 exchanges, and the 100th one was signed yesterday. Listen, I keep telling y'all, hurry before it's late. Load up that bag or add to that bag, and it's not financial advice, y'all. But if this doesn't make you want to load up that bag, I don't know what else, because whatever he's dropping on Sunday is definitely gonna impact price. It's got to. That's my opinion. My opinion. I'm not saying that's gonna happen, but it's my opinion from past data. History speaks for itself, y'all. Okay? I want y'all to watch something for me. All right? This is Jake Gagan with Pablo.
He can't
Pro.
get rid of it. You imagine? You imagine? Is that
Hold on. Look, Voltoshi's commenting. He said, I saw something interesting on that list you showed, Jake.
We're gonna get back to it.
Hold on. Damn.
Man.
You're almost there.
December DeMarco, what's he doing in Vegas?
Marco's having a good time. Man.
I'm not blind, but rather than above names are already watching Volt, to say the least. To be completely honest with you, I'm going to tell you how volted my Monday was. I love that. One of the above names told me this morning they're ready to volt. If you don't get it yet, you might understand with the volted emergency by Voltoshi.
And follow the so there. What he said?
Another comment?
Yeah.
I'm scrolling.
Where is it?
That's it right there. That's
He just said this though. He just said, you didn't know about that one, Pablo, but I would say maybe bigger. Oh, shit. Voltoshi's in the chat. Voltoshi's in the chat. And then he said this first, and then he said that he noticed something on the list.
It was the last one that you pulled up. It was the first one that you pulled up.
The list.
Earlier.
I'm going to pull up his comment.
Yeah,
I saw something interesting on that list you showed.
Was it EG? Was it?
Look
Was it E and a G? I don't know.
It's CoinGecko for sure, bro. It's CoinGecko.
CoinGecko?
Yeah, for sure.
what would the EG mean? Something else. It's like, hey, for example.
All right, guys. I want to touch up on that right quick. All right. So, EG. I don't know. I was starting to think like, okay, EG. Could that mean something? Not that they're thinking this, like he's giving hints with 2 letters in that list that we're about to see. But I looked up what EG means and the way he put it. And anytime you start off something like that, it could mean, an abbreviation for something. And obviously, it's a Latin phrase for meaning, for example, or this abbreviation is typically used to introduce one or more examples of something mentioned previously in a sentence and can be used interchangeably with, for example, or such as. The use of EG implies that there are other something else. So, see, it's like using IE in example. You get what I'm saying? Or that is. So, I'm not sure if they kind of caught that. But, yeah.
What does EG mean? Who in the chat's smarter than us three? EG meaning.
It says only one of the
means, for example,
exchanges has been voted so far. Yeah, we know that already.
That's so Voltoshi. He just put the comment up. He said, I saw something interesting on the list you showed, Jay. Guys, who sees something interesting here? I feel like he's saying cryptically that one of these exchanges are going to get absolutely volted.
Oh, I see it.
We already know Gate.io is volted.
11 to 12 months.
Bitstamp, Qcoin, Kraken, Coinbase, Binance. If I had to guess, guys, and like I said, this is not speculation. Like, I'm not saying we're getting listed on Coinbase like some other tokens do, but I would say Kraken, Qcoin, Bitstamp, Bitfinex, Gate.io is already volted, OKX, and Bybit. So we just narrowed it down to 6.
I agree with that.
6. Because Binance US is tough. Coinbase is very tough. Unless you're Lily Finance, they get on there. Binance, and then we already volted Gate.io. Sorry, I gotta throw shit at them because they direct a lot of people.
God damn, I can't believe that. I still can't believe it, man. I still can't believe it.
Insane, dude. It makes you more comfortable investing into like a project like this, right? Like a project like this that waits and does it correctly. Like Voltoshi would never sit there and say, "Hey, we're getting this on Coinbase on January 3rd." It's like he would never do that. He waits for the exchanges to make the announcement, and then he posts about it, right? So
let's think about it like this, guys. For everybody that's watching right now, okay? An exchange is an investor, okay? You're an investor. Would you want to buy after everybody else's buys, or would you want to buy before the pump? Obviously, before the pump, right? So why would the exchange want the project to pump, and why would they want to buy the top? Why? It makes no sense, right?
Exactly.
So if it doesn't make any logical sense, how can it be real?
I'm looking at this comment.
Okay, guys. Pablo Crow, check him out, y'all. One of the team lead for Volt. Awesome dude. Has pushed Volt a lot himself. Actually, he had a vision for Volt, and it's coming to fruition. So, listen, y'all. Never be scared to risk money. If you want to be successful one day, if you really want to reach generational wealth, you gotta learn how to take risks sometimes. Scared money don't make money. You can bitch and you can complain all day about I'm broke, I'm this, I'm that. But if you don't try to get yourself out of the situation that you're in, you won't succeed, and you will not be able to take advantage of these opportunities. This is an opportunity of a lifetime. This is the next Shiba, the next Doge, and the last of its kind. We are in the perfect time to buy. Okay? Perfect time to buy. Perfect time to load up a bag. So many things are about to happen. Are you going to be there when it happens? Or are you going to watch? Listen, y'all. Y'all be safe. Y'all do y'all research. If there's anything I can do for y'all, video-wise, y'all let me know. Get it done, get it out. Anything I can explain better for y'all, hit me up. Let me know in the comments. Also, I don't like normally asking, but if you did enjoy this video, if it was knowledgeable, if you could please hit that subscribe button and that like button, I'd really appreciate it. I'm trying to get my videos out there, help a lot of people out. Yeah. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good week. Peace.
Yeah. I got me some vote. 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 You should get you some vote.